Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Whitney Ganshaw. In case this is your first time here, welcome. I am so excited that you are here. I am going to be doing an unboxing of one of our Hostess exclusives, which is the mystery bundle. So in this bag here, I have $77 value of a mystery. So I don't know what's inside. It's $29 whenever you get this. It is a Hostess exclusive. So only hostesses, only people who host a party have the ability to unlock a Hostess mystery bundle. Let's see what's inside. And I do want to say, just because I'm opening this and you see what's inside of it, that doesn't mean that if you get one, you'll see exactly what I see inside of it, because it's a mystery. It changes all the time. So we could get the same thing or we could get something different. Before I dig in, I wanted to say I have women that host parties with me every season just so that they can get their hands on a mystery bundle. They are so fun. I'm not usually one that likes to get like mystery things. I want to pick out exactly what I want and pay for that, but there is a thrill of a mystery that I know a lot of you all like. You'll have to let me know in the comments, is a mystery something that intrigues you, especially whenever it's valued as high as this is and you're paying a fraction of the cost. I feel like that is when a mystery could potentially grab me. I am shedding all over this bag and it's like static. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I have two things here, I think. Oh my goodness. Yay! Oh, you all. I'm going to show you both of the products that I got. Again, just because you get a mystery bundle doesn't mean that you would get these two products specifically, but they are both so good. And I want to show you that like 31 really works together to make sure that you are getting obviously a high value, but two products or three products that will work together and you really have a complete solution set that you can use over and over again. I have two products here in our Ditzy Daisy print. This print is still available online, just not in either one of these products. That's also a fun thing about mystery hostesses, or is you can get past products that were big sellers. So let's dive in. The first one I have here is the all packed mini duffel. Oh, I actually have one of these and it has a W on it. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good for a little girl going to grandma's house. What a great little weekend, or even week. I mean, kids' clothes are small. This is so beautiful. I always loved this print because it's just very dainty. It's like almost a very delicate print. What's it called again? Ditzy Daisy. They should have called it like Delicate Daisy. Look how pretty. This is the all packed mini duffel. This is a product that we still currently have, so definitely check it out. On the inside, there is room for, again, for me, I could do like a weekend away, but if your clothes are smaller than mine, then you could pack for a week. It's a really good gym bag or a volleyball bag. And the colors that we have now are very neutral, so they can be used as sports bags. It does come with a crossbody strap that you can clip on. And then it has two mesh pockets there on the inside, so you can put your deodorants, maybe a pair of socks in there. So nice. And then it just zips on up. What do you all think? I'm stoked. So nice. The other product that I got with it. The other product that I got with it is called a modern toiletry bag. I actually don't have this product yet. It is in the mail on its way to me in a different print. It's like my favorite print of the season, so I got it in that. I have a whole set that I can gift to somebody, and I have nieces on the way and I have girl cousins, so I think this is going to be such a good gift to give. All of the features. So we do have this wipeable material, which is great since it is a toiletry bag. You can use it however you'd like, but I did specifically get mine for like bottles of shampoo and conditioner whenever I travel. We have a zipper here, and then this flap has an extra zipper. It's just another way to organize. And then on the other side, oh, okay, let me zip this back up. You all are seeing this product with me for the first time. So then this is the front of the product. So we have a zipper here. And then this is the really cool part to me. It zips right on the top here. So then it doesn't zip all the way down, but it is a wide pocket that you can like stick a bottle down. So cool. I'm gonna go grab my shampoo and conditioner. I'll be right back. I wanna see how it looks in here. Okay, so our guest bathroom is closer than my bathroom is. So I just grabbed Bella's shampoo. Yes, absolutely yes. I love that, y'all. Especially if you are somebody that is traveling often or you just want to be a super organized traveler. I think that this toiletry bag is so cool. Okay, so this was my mystery bundle as a hostess that I got to pick. $29, and the value is supposed to be at least $77. Let's add it up and see if I got my value. Okay, so the all packed mini duffel is $49 full price. And the modern toiletry bag is $29. So that equals $78. So I got heck of a deal because I only paid $29 for the whole mystery. And then I want to show you all how they will work together. Obviously, you're going to pack your weekend bag. You're going to put a couple of outfits inside, but then you're going to pack your toiletries and put it inside of your all packed duffels. I'm just obsessed with this print. I know I said that I would give it as a gift, but I really want to keep it for myself. This is also making me wish that I had a trip planned for like this weekend so I can use it right away. All right, if you all loved this mystery bundle, then you are definitely going to love whatever you get in your mystery bundle as a hostess as well. I love to party online mostly, but I have texting and catalog parties available for my YouTube family too. So you all can reach out to me. You can text me, send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. All of my contact information is in the description below. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to this video so that you don't miss any more coming. I've really been on like my YouTube video game lately, so they are going to keep coming for you all. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much again for watching, and we will chat later. Bye!